In this illustration, I am going to deal with discount on debtors where we don't have the provision for discount on debtors. We assume that we don't have the provision for discount on debtors. Basic model. When the discount on debtors given in the trial balance, it means the entry is already adjusted. The discount on debtors is already adjusted on receipt from the debtors amount itself. So while receiving the money from the debtors, we could have offered, right? For example, 2,000 rupees we have to receive from the debtor, but they have paid only 1,950. Okay, 1,950 is considered as receipts, another 50 is adjusted as discount allowed. The discount allowed is nothing but discount on debtors. Adjustment entry is already passed, so you no need to worry about the adjustment entry for this 300. But of course, we have to transfer that to the P&L account. For that, we have to pass the transfer entry. Discount on debtors given in the adjustment means we have not provided with the, we have not passed the adjustment entry. Usually, discount on debtors will not be given in the adjustments. You might have not seen the discount on debtors being the adjustments in most of the sheets. Usually won't see. But of course, if you are able to think in a different way, this discount on debtors will also come in the adjustments. For example, one of my debtors who has to pay me 10,200 rupees, he paid 10,000 rupees, I just wrote that as 10,000 amount recovered. Sometimes later I sent a reminder letter to him. Sir, your account shows a balance of 200. Immediately he says, sir, since very long ago, I am doing the business with you for so much of volume also. Don't you give me even 200 rupees discount? If he expects a discount of the unpaid balance because of the long-standing relationship, what I do? Okay, sir, I'll offer the discount. So if I offer the discount with later after a period of collection, usually discount will be adjusted on collection. But in this case, the 200 rupees remaining amount recoverable from the debtors is going to be offered as a discount after sometimes later with the negotiation with the partner, with the party. Okay, I'll offer the discount. Then what's our generally for that? Discount on debtors account debit to debtors. While collection, bank account debit to debtors. While collection, we collected after a small discount, the entry being cash account debit, discount account debit to debtors. But now what happened? Sometimes later on verification, only a penny amount is pending from him. On sending the reminder, he says, sir, offer me discount. Okay, I'll just give the discount. Without any further collection, I offer the discount. Then the entry will be only discount entry, discount to debtors. On preparing the trial balance on 31st March, I am not aware about that. So after the preparation, I just inquired, what about the pending, sir? Immediately say, sir, offer me the discount. Okay, just now I came to know the offer is going to be given to the debtors. No need to pay the balance amount. Okay, not at all pass the entry. Now, in such a case, the discount on debtors will come in the adjustments also. So the treatment is similar. In the case of bad debt, the journal entry will be same, right? So bad debt to debtors. The same entry will be applicable here. Rather than bad debt, I am going to charge the amount to the discount on debtors. That's all. So for this, we have to pass the adjustment entry as well as we have to pass the transfer entry, both. Okay, come on, pass the adjustment entry first of all. Adjustment entry is applicable only for the item given in the adjustments. The entry being discount on debtors account debit to debtors. It's a similar to the bad debt account, bad debt without provision for doubtful debts. You can link that study with this so that it will be pretty easy. Discount on debtors to debtors account value being 200. And transfer entry will be, this is for the item given in the adjustment, because while it is given in the adjustment means you have not passed the adjustment entry. So now I have to pass the adjustment entry. Once adjustment entry is passed, this amount is already adjusted to the trial balance. In the trial balance we have already 300. And another 200, so 500 rupees is the total discount on debtors is allowed now, transferable to the P&L account, the entry being P&L account debit to discount on debtors. The value being 500. Is that okay? Come on, make a note of it.